In this video, I will show you what to do if some application is crashing or freezing on your iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, let's try to simply restart our tablet. To do that, let's hold down the power button and volume down key for a couple of seconds, and then slide this toggle to the right to turn off your tablet. Then give your tablet a couple of seconds and turn it back on by short pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo appearing on your device's screen. Then just give it a moment to relaunch. After that, let's try to reopen the app. Now, in case it's any application other than Safari web browser, in most cases the issue would be resolved. Now, in case of Safari web browser as a separate app, we have to go to General. Then in General section we have to go to iPad storage, find Safari, and here we can go to the website data and remove it in order to remove the website data. We can also try to remove the extensions for the browser, and this should absolutely help you. But in case of any other application, if it's still not working, for example the Books application, we have to check for updates for this application, which we can do by going to App Store, going to the search menu and searching for this application's name. And if you find this app and there is no update icon on the applications page, only the open, then it should be working correctly. And if it's not, then check your storage once again by going to Settings, General, iPad Storage, and make sure that you have at least 10% of available storage on your iPad. Otherwise, it's possible for your applications to be lagging. If you don't have this much storage, try clearing it up by following the recommendations you can find on the screen. Now, if this isn't helping you, then what we can do instead is just hold the finger down on the application that is troublesome, remove the application, delete it completely, and then reinstall it from the App Store. Just reopen your App Store. Okay. Somehow it wasn't deleted. Maybe I misclicked. Let's reopen the applications page. Okay, so apparently this one we cannot delete. So let's try some other application, for example, shortcuts. Let's search for shortcuts here. And then reinstall this application. This way you will basically update your previous set of files related to this app with the new ones, and after that your issue should be resolved. Additionally, you can try to restart your tablet once again to ensure that your app starts working properly after that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.